3, 2, 1.
Hello, my name is Taino Rodriguez. I'm a current junior at SUNY Cortland. I actually transferred here from BMCC, which is the Borough of Manhattan Community College. At BMCC, I got my associates. I played JUCO baseball, which is actually one of my favorite sports, sport management major. So I'd say baseball is there. Basketball is definitely up there too. Basketball was actually the first sport that I fell in love with. And then I discovered baseball, and I think now I have more of affinity. I love both, but I think in terms of like working, I would enjoy to work in like a baseball setting as opposed to basketball.